Hello everybody, I'm Buck WSR Weezer. Once again, I'm coming at you from atop the 98 Bounder motorhome. And today our project is to install some of these MaxxAir vent covers. I already installed one right there previously, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I've got two more vents that open up that I want to cover. And part of the reason is not really so that I can have airflow, whether it's rain or shine, but I really wanted to, you know, over time these seals begin to wear out, and I just want to have another layer of protection against moisture and rain infiltration. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and got everything we need up here: the tools, the instructions, the hardware, the brackets, and of course the vent cover. Okay, so we're going to place the vent cover over top of it, and of course I've got the cover, the top open a little bit because we're going to have to be able to reach inside to fasten some of the nuts and bolts. And what we have is, we're going to there's some brackets here that we'll affix to the side right here, and we're going to use the furthest holes apart and measure how far they are to the middle. And I think it's 11 3/8 if I remember correctly. So 11 3/8, and I am going to mark the one. I'll measure 11 3/8, and then we'll know where to fix the other one. Got a marker right here. Okay, so 11 3/8 from there. Okay, now we're going to drill those out, and the drill size that we're going to use here is 3/16 drill bit. So right in the middle there, one. Okay, great. So we're going to fasten one there and one there. Of course, I'm going to have to do the exact same thing on the other side with 1, 2 over there. These are fastened on with the hardware that we have is stainless steel nuts and bolts. So through the bracket goes the bolt, and then it goes through the hole that we just drilled. On the other side, we're going to reach in with a washer and then a lock washer. Which I just dropped. Let me get another one. Go inside and retrieve that one. And then the nut goes next. Okay, so I got a 9, what is this socket size? 11/32. And Phillips head out here. while we're talking about this, I'll show you right here how it's going to attach. These carriage bolts are going to come up from underneath. And if you're real tight to the, and they'll lock into that groove. We'll place the vent cover on top of that, followed by a star-shaped washer like so, and a 1/2-inch socket for putting that nut on. So that will be the last step. All right, so that one bracket is on. Feels pretty secure. Double check it. Okay. Same thing here. Our bracket bolt goes through there. Washer. Lock washer. And then the nut. Tighten it down. Carriage bolt slides in from below. Alright, so I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. We're at the edge of the motorhome, so I can't really show you that on film. But it's the exact same thing as we did on this side. I'll put those on, and then I'll bring you back when we set the vent cover in place. Okay, so let's set got the brackets mounted on both sides. So let's set the cover in place. And and these carriage bolts poke up through the slots that we have provided. Okay. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Okay, these washers go next. Now the carriage bolt will stay in place, but you may have to push it up so that it locks into until you get it tight enough. So it looks straight and even. And now it's just a matter of tightening these down. This is 7/16. I brought up the wrong size. Oh no, it is 7/16. Did I say 1/2 inch earlier? Yeah. Tighten those down. And that's really all there is to it. There you go. Now you have a little gap around here, and I think that's normal and fine. It's not something you need to call. It allows a little bit of airflow and condensation to escape. And there we got it. We have installed the MaxxAir RV vent cover it looks pretty good. Just took a few minutes and it was done. Got one more to install right there, and I will set about doing that. And now you know how it's done. So I want to thank you for joining me on this project. Buck WSR Weezer. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel for more renovations on the 98 Bounder. Having a lot of fun with this motorhome. I've got some other videos up about it if you'd like to learn more. Have a great day, everybody, and talk to you again soon. Bye.